Important trends in boron family. First one, atomic radii. Look at that. Boron, gallium, aluminium, indium, thallium. This is not in a proper order. Gallium அப்புறம் தான் aluminium வருது. Then ionic radii. There is no problem. It increases down the group. Okay. Then first ionization enthalpy. Again, there is an exception. Wherever exception, there is a question. Look at here. First ionization enthalpy: indium, aluminium, gallium, thallium, and boron. When you go with the electronegativity, boron will have maximum electronegativity. The order will be aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Then comes the boron. It increases down the group, but boron mattum higher irukum. Then density increases down the group, no problem. Melting point. Gallium is very low melting liquid. Melting point is 303 Kelvin. So gallium comes first, then indium, then thallium, then aluminium. Melting point of boron will be very high. Boiling point, when you compare the boiling point decreases down the group for group 13 elements. Stability of +1 oxidation state, it increases down the group. So aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium will show +1 behavior maximum. Thallium will be more stable in +1 oxidation state.